Hello guys.
Hello everyone.
Welcome back to our
YouTube channel.
So guys, as you can see, today we are doing a pasta
challenge.
But it's not really about the pasta, guys. We are going to be using this stick. And really, I have never used this stick for once because I don't know how to use it.
Okay, you have never used it before?
No.
I always use it, always.
I used to use
it. Always. I always use it. Don't worry, I'm going to show you.
Okay, but me, I don't know how to use this thing. I only tried
That means you are a village girl.
Yeah.
Okay.
I only tried this once, but...
You guys will see how I'm going to teach how to use the stick. Okay,
so guys, so we are going to use this stick. So you guys will be the judge. Who is the winner? I know you know how to run your mouth.
No. It's
so
practice because I know how to use it.
Please, if this is your first time of coming across this channel,
please subscribe. Don't
hesitate to join the family farm. So keep watching. We are going to set a timer for 10 minutes.
10 minutes. Anyone that can finish it with the stick.
Finish it with the stick.
Yeah, of course.
Okay, no problem. Okay, let's
start. Are you ready?
Yes, I'm ready.
You are ready?
Yeah, start.
We start now. Okay, let me teach you. Yes. Oh. What is happening? I'm the one teaching you.
Oh my God.
Guys, you can see it. What is going on?
Yeah, you can see it.
It's not moving. What is going on? You have to take it easy. There's enough time, don't worry. Guys, you can see, I'm beating her.
Beating who?
Wait, it's like they used to open it like this.
But you tell you know how to use it.
That was then.
That was then, not now anymore.
That was then. You know, things has changed.
Okay, things have changed. Don't know how to use it again.
Yeah, maybe. Okay.
Oh my God.
What's going on?
But you said you know how to use it.
I know how to use it.
But why you doing it like this now?
No. I know how to use it. Guys, don't laugh at me. Just. If I'm taking it one, I'm not going to leave here. The 10 minutes will be over. Oh my God. What is going on? Oh, you see how I'm using it. You can do it like this. You see?
You don't even know.
Who told you that? Look at it now. But like this is too local.
It's not like this. How can you be doing like this? Like fowl that's picking corn.
It's too local. Look at it. They hold it like this. You have to hold it like this. You start like this.
What did you take now?
Wait, hold on. Hold on. Hold on. Look at it. You have to hold it like this. Start like this.
Well, you didn't take anything.
Wait, hold on. Wait, I have to teach. Wait, I have to teach you. Wait.
You are wasting my time and telling me wait.
Okay, look at it. If you hold it like this, you do it like this.
What did you take?
Look at it. You see it?
Let me just do my thing.
Just eat like city girl, city lady. Okay? Eat like city lady. Don't eat like, you know.
Just leave it for me.
My Chinese people, this is how they used to do it.
But you are doing it, it's not taking anything.
Hold on. It's like there is fault on this thing, on this stick. There is some faults.
Yes. There is some fault. Yeah. Like they didn't do the stick well.
Yes. Yours is more perfect. Maybe.
Take. But it's more perfect, yeah.
Okay, let me teach you now. Look at it. Look at it. You see it? That's why I say your own is gone.
Look at where you put your hand there. You are using your hand to even pack it.
Look at it. Well, let me teach you. You see it?
Stay there.
Oh my God. Guys, don't laugh at me, oh. The stick is get.
You have fault?
No, it don't.
Another fault?
No, well. There's no fault now. There's no fault. We have to finish.
What are you doing?
What is
What
it?
is this?
Look at it.
Oh my God. Look at the way you are doing this one.
No, I'm not doing. Oh, let me teach you right now. You hold it like this. You take it like this.
Only one piece. You take. Let me do.
Like
In fact, me, I will not talk to you. Let me do my thing. You say I should do like a city girl.
Oh my God.
Let me teach you. Let me.
If you can't beat them, you join them. Let me join them like this.
You see that village man here.
There's no time. There's no time of village here.
Like, look at it. Let me show you. Like this. This is very simple.
Look at it.
You see?
But if you start taking it one, when are you going to finish this pan? This pasta?
Do it like me. Take another one immediately.
But it's no. Or I should use fork. It's like I'm counting it to eat now. You can't do that. Guys, you can see that I'm winning her.
You are winning.
Yes.
No problem.
I'm winning my coin.
You're not supposed to win this challenge.
How many minutes is remaining so that I will know how to gauge it?
1 minute 40 seconds.
1 minute, okay?
I know nobody will win.
Who told you? Wait, I'm going to, don't worry. Guys, German.
Yeah, over.
It's not over.
Game over.
It's not over. You must finish your egg plus the egg. Guys, it's finished.
10 minutes, and now it's finished.
And,
Look at it. It didn't get best.
yeah, look at it, guys. It's finished. I won.
You didn't win.
I won.
Finish it.
I finished it, guys. You can see it. I won.
Wow.
I won. I won. I'm the master.
Yeah, you want to, I agree.
Yeah, take.
Oh, seriously, my man.
Take
I agree.
now. I'm not eating. Take.
I'm done. Let me stay my Adumba.
Let me feed you. Let me feed you.
Ah!
Let me feed you.
Like, I don't know how to eat with the stick.
But I told I'm the master. I should feed you.
So, guys.
Guys.
Sincerely.
I won.
Sincerely. I have to accept that the Bella won, hands down.
Yes.
I said it before, I don't know how to use this thing, but
I said it earlier that I know how to use it.
you don't even know how to do it.
I know how to use it.
Just manage yourself.
I didn't manage.
That's just it. So
they can testify. Yeah.
So guys, thank you all so much for watching.
Thank you guys.
Don't forget to drop your
comment. And if you have any challenge you want us to do, just
any video idea,
just let us know.
Don't forget to leave it in the comment
section
down below. See you in our next.
Let me join you.
In our next video.
I should join you? Yes or no?
No.
No?
I can finish it on my own.
Okay, let me feed you.
No.
Okay, no problem.
No
problem. Let me.
No. Stop now.
I want to feed you.
Stop. I use it to run my makeup.
Makeup.
Where?
Well. Guys.
Okay
guys. Thank you.
Bye.
Bye. Thank you for watching. We love you. Bella family love you. And Daddy Bella love you.
Team Mommy Bella all the way.
Team Daddy Bella all the way.